Storymoja is on a quest. We plan to publish anthologies in both English and Kiswahili of children's essays, letters, and stories. My name is Muthoni Garland. At Storymoja, I am referred to as Reading Revolutionary #1.
It's a writing competition for children aged 9 to 14. Just by participating, they will learn so much about writing, and this will really help them in school. We seek original stories written in good language and peppered with unique expressions.
Imagine if a child wrote cells like mandazis on a cold, rainy July morning.
We seek work that shows that the child read, practiced, and mastered all the competencies covered in how to write better compositions and mazoezi ya Insha mwili.
Judges will only review scanned entries that are written on the formal submission forms which are in the workbooks. Now, parents, your main role in this competition is to register your children and provide active encouragement for them to practice.
We will require you, dear parents, to attest and sign that the submission is original work of the children.
We invite parents to register their children for either the English edition of the Quest or the Kiswahili edition of the Quest. Or, in fact, they can enter for
Both.
both. Yes. To sign up, visit these sites: storymojaafrica.co.ke or send an email to quest@storymojaafrica.co.ke.